For simultaneous solubility, let the solubility of CaCO3 be X and CaC₂O₄ be Y. Then, Ca to the power 2 plus equals X plus Y, CaCO3 to the power 2 equals X and C₂O₄ to the power 2 equals Y. The equations are X plus Y equals 4.7 times 10 to the power minus 9 and Y, X plus Y equals 1.3 times 10 to the power minus 9. Adding them gives X plus Y to the power 2 equals 6.0 times 10 to the power minus 9 equals 60 times 10 to the power minus 10. Taking the square root, Ca to the power 2 plus equals X plus Y equals square root of 60 times 10 to the power minus 5 approx 7.746 times 10 to the power minus 5 m. The answer is D.